At an altitude of 14,000 feet at Spiti Valley is located world's highest post office, Hikkim. At such a place, there's hardly any mobile signal, neither internet. This post office seems to be the only source of communication here. So, would you like to post a letter from the highest post office in the world? Well, for that, you have to visit Spiti Valley, just like us. We started from North Village in Pin Valley this morning and came to Kaza. So this is the Kaza main market area. Behind me is the Kaza bus stop. You will also find a number of hotels. We have stopped here for having our lunch. Kaza market is small but lively. Usually the ideal plan is to stay at Kaza and then go out to explore Hikkim, Komic and Langza. But we usually like to do it a bit differently. So instead of staying at Kaza, we moved on. We had already got our fuel for the day. Ab gaari ko bhi to fuel chahiye. So we got the fuel for a supercar from world's highest petrol pump. Didn't I tell you? Today is going to be a day of superlatives. And then our journey started again. Roads are difficult, but this is what makes the entire journey worthwhile. For in Spiti, you don't just think about the destination. The journey is as beautiful, even more inspiring. And then we finally reached world's highest post office at Hikkim. Hikkim village is small. We could see only 12 to 15 houses there. And then there's this place where you can click your picture. There's also a small cafe here. You can buy postcards from this cafe. But let's go to the post office now. There is a post box here to drop your letter. But where's the entrance to the post office? Let's see. Here we met Rinchen Chhering, the postmaster of Hikkim Post Office. He has been the postmaster of the world's highest post office for the last 37 to 38 years. Roads बंद हो जाते हैं, पर post office नहीं होता. This is what Rinchen ji told us. He has two other helpers who help him with his work. But today he is alone in his office. They deliver letters to villages 12 kilometers away, and they walk to deliver these letters. अब वर्ल्ड के हाईएस्ट पोस्ट ऑफिस से एक लेटर भेजना तो बनता है ना. sending letters from world's highest post office. वर्ल्ड की हाईएस्ट पोस्ट ऑफिस तो हो गया, अब चलिए वर्ल्ड की हाईएस्ट मोटरेबल विलेज में चलते हैं. लेट्स बिगिन आवर जर्नी टुवर्ड्स कॉमिक. We have finally reached Komic, said to be the highest village in the world, connected by a motorable road. This place is really beautiful and so quiet and serene. The entire village has hardly 15 houses. Komic has a beautiful monastery almost 800 years old. This monastery was previously located at Hikkim but was shifted here after an earthquake. There is another monastery just opposite to this one. So, that was Komic. And now we are heading towards another amazing place in Spiti Valley. Langza is known for its gigantic Buddha statue. We are at Langza, the Langza Buddha statue. And one more thing, can you see that? And we're going to stay at Langza today. Another day spent at Spiti Valley. And what a day it was. In our next video on Spiti series, we are going to explore Langza. So, all those who haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe. Until then, goodbye and see you soon.